Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make cloud upload in Adobe Illustrator CC. Let's start. Go to Toolbar on left side. Go to Rectangle tool. Click and hold on small triangle. You will see the other tools. Select Ellipse. Now just click on Artboard. Enter values in dialog box. Enter width and height 300 px and press OK. You just draw a circle. Draw another circle of 250 px by 250 px. Draw rectangle of 500 px by 200 px. Select black arrow or simply press V. Select rectangle, you will see white point in rectangle. Grab one and drag pointer inward. Corners will be rounded. Now make copy of each shape. Click on round rectangle and press Alt key. You will see arrow change into double arrow white and black. It's mean you are ready to copy the object. Alt and drag the shape to copy to another place. Arrange all shapes like this. Make sure center of large circle intersects the round rectangle perfectly. For zoom in, select Zoom tool, or simply press Z and click on Shape, as per you need. Make sure small circle intersects the round rectangle perfectly. Again, for zoom in, select Zoom tool, or simply press Z and click on Shape, as per your need. To view in outline mode, press Ctrl+Y. To exit the outline mode, again press Ctrl+Y. To zoom out, press Ctrl+0. Now select all shapes by Shift and click or drag pointer around them. Go to Windows menu. Select Pathfinder. Select Unite button. This will convert the shapes into one shape. Here is your first cloud. Now go to Rectangle tool and select Polygon tool. Click on Artboard, enter value 60 px and size 3. Go to Polygon tool, select Rectangle. Click on Artboard. Enter values: width 40 px, height 120 px, press OK button. Make sure triangle center align to rectangle. Arrange shape like this. Select triangle and rectangle. Go to Pathfinder. Select Unite. Congratulations, you created your first arrow. Now make copy of arrow. Put arrow on cloud like this. Make sure arrow is perfectly center align. When you are satisfied, select all shapes. Go to Pathfinder. Select Exclude button. This will change shapes into single shape. Change the size, width, height or both to see the variations. To change the size, simply select the object and drag from any side with Shift. Drag inwards or outwards, it will change the size proportionally. Fantastic! Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.